Myself is Pratibha Bhikshavatimmat. My study is BSc First Sem, Sri Siddheshwara First Grade College in Argunda. My topic is numerical problem, surface tension, coefficient of viscosity, refractive index are to be solved. Contains surface tension, coefficient of viscosity, refractive index, numerical problems. Surface tension definition. Surface tension is defined as the force in dynes as acting per centimeter on the surface of the liquid. Consider a liquid is in the beaker. Consider a molecule P which is in the bulk of the liquid. Other hand molecule Q which is lying at the surface of the liquid. Surface tension, first one, numerical problem. Force due to surface tension on a wire. A soap film is formed on a wire frame. The length of the wire in contact with the film is 10 cm. Surface of the soap solution is 0.03. Solution. Soap film has two surfaces, so effective 2 into 0.110 equals to 0.20 millimeter. F equals to T into L equals to 0.3 into 0.20 equals to 0.6. Second problem. Axial pressure inside a soap bubble. A soap bubble has radius 5 mm, surface tension 0.04. Formula delta P equals to 4 divided by R. Delta P equals to 4 into 0.04 divided by 5 into 10 power equals to 32. Answer is 32. Next, coefficient of viscosity. Definition. Coefficient of viscosity is defined as the force per unit area required maintain which difference of velocity viscosity between two parallel layers separated by unit centimeter apart. The viscosity of a liquid is compared in terms of what we can the coefficient of viscosity, which might be better understood as follows. Coefficient numerical problems. First one, flow between plates. A fluid of viscosity eta equals to flow between two parallel plates 1 centimeter apart. The upper plate moves with a velocity of 0.02 millimeter per second, while the lower one is stationary. The shear stress between the plates is 0.02. Find solution eta. Shear stress eta delta equals to dV divided by dy equals to T divided by dy. dV divided by dy equals to frac 0.02 into 0.01 equals to 2 power minus 1. Eta equals to minus 1. Second problem. Faustianus law. A liquid flow through a capillary tube of radius 1.1 millimeter and length 20 centimeter under a pressure difference of 1 centimeter Hg. The rate of flow is 4 into 10 power meter per second. Find Solution: Paislevin's law. Q equals to delta R power P divided by 8 delta L. Neta equals to R divided by P divided by TQL. R equals to 0.5 into 10 power millimeter. P equals to 1.333 P. Answer equals to 8 into 4 into 10 power minus 9. Next, refractive index of definition. The refractive index is defined as when a ray of liquid travel for one to another medium, the ratio of sine of angle of refraction it is denoted by n. Sin I divided by sin R equals to a constant. N equals to sin I divided by sin R. The constant n is known as the refractive index of medium. Refractive index numerical problems. First one, finding refractive index. A ray of light travels from air into glass. Speed of light in air equals to 3 into 10 power millimeter per second. Speed of light in glass into 10 power. Find the refractive index of glass. Solution: n equals to c divided by v equals to 10 raised to 10 divided by 2 into 10 equals to 5.5. Answer is 1.5. Second one problem. Using Snell's law, area enter water from air, angle of inside 30, refractive index of water 1.33. Solution: A1 sin equals to sin 2 sin R 18 sin I equals to n2 sin R 0.5 1.33 sin R. Sin R equals to 0.5 1.33 equals to 0.376. Sin R sin 0.376 20 power. Answer is 20. Thank you.